Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to blur image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can click here to create a new design, or we can choose a template to create a design. I will choose print, and then I choose postcard. So a postcard design page is created. Next, we can add image. I go to File folder. I drag and drop the image into Canva to import the image. This is an image I downloaded from freepack.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I want to enlarge it. I press Alt to enlarge it. If you want to make the image blur, make sure that we select the image and then go to Edit. And then go to Effects. We can find Blur. Click it. And then we have option to use brush and whole image. I choose whole image first. If we increase the intensity, we can make whole image blur. If we want to remove the blur, we can change it to 0, or we can click the remove blur. Next, if we want to blur the specific area, we can use brush, and then we can change the brush size, and we can change the intensity for blur. For example, I want to blur the lower part of the image. So I brush this area and then release the mouse button. We can make this area blur. Now I remove the blur effect. This is the first option to blur. The second option, we can go back to effects and then we can find autofocus. Click it. Then Canva will be automatically blur the image of the background. We can make fine adjustment. For example, we can see before and after. Actually, we can set the area we want to make it sharp. For example, we can make sharp for the background. We can keep the girl sharp. So this is how we can make image blur in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.